So I've closed a lot of my short trades and I'm looking to enter fresh shorts on everything again, guys. Maybe not as high leverage, but we are definitely looking to short the market, because even though everything's bouncing right now, to me, I think we are definitely putting in more lower highs before we continue to roll over. And I'll explain why I think this is a major bull trap, guys. A major altcoin capitulation is waiting to happen. And if you go on Twitter, you won't stop seeing this type of fucking shit. These guys do not stop talking about 200x, 3, 4, 5x on the altcoin's market cap from this point on. They're absolute delusional, guys, and I'm going to tell you why I'm going to short everything again on this bounce. It's not financial advice, it's just my bear market analyst. Because guys, these people on Twitter, they're waiting for Bitcoin to correct 60% or more before calling for the bear market, and it's ridiculous, because by that time the portfolio would have lost so much fucking value. It's ridiculous, guys. On the daily, BTC dominance is printing hidden bullish divergence. So this could definitely be the low put in before the next massive run on BT dominance. I'm not saying we're going up to 78%, but I mean, guys, these altcoins look like they're about to get vaporized. And if everything on the monthly is printing bearish divergence, and the monthly on BTC.D has reset its oscillators, there's confluence that this could run again and the altcoins could take a massive hit again. So even though we have a bounce happening right now, guys, it's to be expected because everything was oversold. But the edge, in my opinion, is to be shorting this lower high that is about to be put in. And I'm going to go over some altcoins that I like for the shorts. Now, if you're not using a platform, make sure you're trading on the GRVT, because you're going to be getting an airdrop soon, Q1 2026. Put in some volume, guys. You will get an airdrop for using the platform. The invite code is in my description. The other platform that I'm farming is the DeFi App platform, and there's $1 million trading contest right now. I only just saw this the other day, and the top 500 get a reward. So guys, you don't need much profit to get in the top 500. Honestly, it's worth trading on these exchanges because you will get an airdrop at the end of it. Anyway, a short that I'm looking at to re-enter is XRP and ADA. The first one, XRP. So guys, we're getting a bounce on XRP, and where is it going to stall out? Most likely in this range here. So there's not too much upside left, but you could get a bounce. It may not even reach up here, but I do expect this to put in lower high, and then we're going to go down and sweep below this support. And XRP is possibly going back down to its bear market range of 2023. Now, all the XRP fags won't like to hear this, but guys, I mean, fuck, what do you want me to say? The market looks like total shit. Everything's correcting. Bitcoin dominance is about to run again, most likely in a couple of days or weeks. The daily's getting ready. The altcoins are going to get another hit. So I'm looking to short everything again, and XRP is on the watch list. Another one that I'm really liking to short is Cardano ADA. And we've been printing on Cardano, guys. I mean, let me just show you guys the Cardano fucking sells, right? It's ridiculous. And by the way, guys, this rising wedge kind of thing, this rising wedge channel, this more than likely is going to break down eventually. I mean, what the fuck are they doing? Like, you could have a bit more left, but I mean, Jesus Christ, it's getting very overextended, guys, you know? The Cardano shorts. So guys, we were absolutely killing the Cardunzo shorts, right? I mean, Cardano is a fucking blockchain making $35 a day in revenue, sometimes even nothing. So there's tremendous downside left for Cardano as well. It's going to be like a magnet to around the 30 cent area. So the daily's oversold, guys. We're getting a bounce on everything, but like I just showed you, Bitcoin dominance looks like it's going to run again, most likely trying to fill this wick at 63-64%. And this is why I'm saying these altcoins are more than likely just going to print lower highs and then begin the descent down. I don't even think Cardano can get above 50 cents, to be honest. So I really think these are where you would expect it to stall out. And if it somehow does manage to get above 50 cents, there's your second lower high level. And honestly, it's the same thing, guys. You know, you could come up like this. The daily gets reset, and then that's when you get the next flush down. Or it could even be like that, up to 61%, and then down to 30%. Once we lose this 30 cent level, honestly, Cardano's bottom is between 10 cents and 5 cents. It just is. And that is the bear market low of, what was that? What chart is this? I remember Cardano being at 2 cents, guys, because I was buying it back in 2019, 2020. Yeah, I'd say its bottom is like 5 cents or 10 cents, guys. You know, what even is this chart? What the fuck is that chart? Altcoins are giving diminishing returns, and what do you think happens the next cycle if we get diminishing returns? It's probably going to peak at like 30 cents, right? It goes all the way back down to 10 cents or 5 cents, and then the next cycle it will probably just come up to like that, and then that's probably it. Why? Because it's Cardano. Nobody's using the fucking blockchain, guys. The only reason Cardano went up was because Bitcoin went up. The only reason Cardano did this was because Trump said the word ADA blockchain. Come on, guys, don't be like all these fucking idiots on crypto Twitter expecting Bitcoin to go to 200k when it's clearly the start of a bear market. I mean, it might not be a long bear market, but let's be honest, guys, these people on CT are delusional, especially thinking the total crypto market cap can go 5x from here when the bear div on the monthly hasn't even fully rolled over yet. Guys, on the 2 months, the bear div hasn't even rolled over yet. So there is still tremendous amount of selling to happen in the crypto market, and you may not believe it, I might be wrong about it, but all the data is there to suggest we are going much lower than where we are today. So yeah, guys, just giving you all an update. We may get a bounce here, but we cannot expect anything significant unless it's getting candle closes above 100,000. Maybe then, you know, it comes back down to test 100k and then we go up. Then I change my mind on everything. But until then, guys, lower highs are bound to be put in here. Massive bull trap in play, and the altcoins are telling you they're value shorts. What's that guy's name? Rail Paul. Guys, he's been shilling Sui since the Pico top. You're telling me this chart is going to recover? God, yeah, Sui is done. Anyway, guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in. My point is, we still have a lot of downside potential on the altcoins. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Remember to like and subscribe, and make sure you are farming the GRVT Airdrop. Thank you.